Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwinokwodi, the CFO man, the carrier survey for Uwasan community for Ikpobaoka, Edo State. Enjoy the video.
A great good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwinokwodi, the Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO, Stanley Sadi Enterprise, in fact, the CFO man, Edo State. Yes, we are right at Uwasan community in the Ikpobaoka local government area of Edo State to carry out a perimeter survey on the land measuring 100 by 100 on behalf of our client who resides here with us. By the power of God Almighty, the goal and objective is to apply for a statutory right of occupancy. And we've done a perimeter survey on this land, and you can see this is the land. And at the end of the day, we strongly believe that the results are to be efficacious, owing to the fact that this land is not in government land. The beautiful part of it is that my clients are always very, very sensitive when it comes to buying of land. In fact, this land was just bought some few days ago after confirmation that it is not a government land. At least to some extent, the goal and objective is simple. We will do the application, and by virtue of the straightforwardness of the Obaseki-led administration through the Edo Gs, I strongly believe that there will be speedy approval for a CFO on this now. This is what we do as Stanley Sadi Enterprise. Our goal and objective is to ensure that your interest is protected in all ramifications. Your smile, your joy becomes our utmost priority. Do not forget, now get CFO, now get land. We advise all our sundry to secure their documentation, to secure their property in all ramifications, because you cannot raise over 1 point something to 2 million naira to get a land. At the end of the day, you allow that land to go so freely because of nonchalant nor lackadaisical attitude on your part. Spend your resources wisely. Secure your property, because the same document that you are talking about, they have a deed of transfer to that land. Everyone in the territory have it. The approval that you are talking about, everyone in the community have it. What is expedient is your ability to distinguish yourself from the crowd through your consolidated document, otherwise known as CFO. I advise you today, it's for your own good, it's for your own interest. Do your CFO today to protect yourself. Osakwinokwodi. Bye for now. It's like that really strong. Yes, a great good evening to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwinokwodi. You can imagine that we are still on site. This is almost 6 o'clock. What's this by the time? After 6. Yes. I reported before now that a client of mine, they almost encroach into the property because they think that they are bourgeois. But by the power of God Almighty, we've been able to confront the monster, and we are carrying out a perimeter survey on the land. I want to say a very big thank you to indigenes and the members of our community for standing tall against gross injustice and manipulation. And you can see how beautiful this land is. A land that is closer to the current most prestigious private university, Benson Idahosa University. You should be able to ascertain the level of patronage and economic value that will be accruing to this land, owing to the fact that students and others who may not be comfortable with the activities within the purview of the campus will be willing to reside in tenements around the locality. Now, we will not leave any stone unturned. We've been able to cross the first hurdle, which is reclaiming what rightfully belongs to my client. The next segment is to say, we will not say, oh, because it has been reclaimed, let's go and sleep. No. We are carrying out a perimeter survey on the land and a speedy CFO application. Speedy CFO application to protect this property from the hands of economic predators. Now, if you look at the territory clearly, you see, check around, you see existing buildings of great civic design coming into being. Now, the message being sent here is very clear. Now, guess your phone again. Okay, let's take an example. Ever since my client leave this land, this same person will buy this land, will go buy it illegally, can't go around do CFO. Believe me, now talk with the talk. If it goes to court, the way you buy, that's what you buy. So not leave the stone unturned. And even the person acknowledge the fact. Say my client now establish this perimeter fence, show it. Say that my client establish this perimeter fence, yet he still buy the land. So this one message be say, if you like you fence your land round, person will fit jump, enter inside, go put foundation. Quick platetor, solo said it. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. Now, if we now apply for a CFO and eventually the government grants us the CFO, we're not going to tell our clients, say, may go sleep because he gets CFO. Make it a great underdevelopment for Edo. No. But you're not going to run, say, hell, if I never go work, na Isalebe. If I never go work, they'll go to take that land. That one is already out of it. And if peradventure, the land can't be lucrative, person because they say, I go enter, no level. Maybe because of the fact, say, the bacon, where they put for ground, maybe somebody throw away and come out. Or anything related to the land activity, you not see on there. You forget to understand, say, the bacon day paper, the CFO day paper, and now who gets CFO? Nageland. So we are very glad this evening that despite the test case, because on our part, we'd already declare ourselves a servant, a chief servant. Forget say we also, but we're not going to like a situation where we say anything happen to anybody with the diaspora, because we serve na benefactor of diaspora. We serve na benefactor of diaspora. So when it still reach their own turn, we must make ourselves readily available. I don't want to talk some kind of things. Something play again today. Somebody called me. He said they go inside. Government people come. Go decide. Go see something. Do this, do that. Now tell them, say, see. Wait to make them come. Fine. We will resolve it. But the right thing will be done subsequently. Not be saying they will force you, say you must do it, but that what you supposed to do. Because when government say do something, you are doing it for your own benefit. Let's take an example. If they collect the land of this my client, Obasa can if they cry. So if you say go do see your phone, now for your right. If they take the land, you know who say they take your land, it has no business with this. Even government land, they don't like put sellotape or put somebody say not follow them buy. Now government get me you. You know they. Now when you buy finish, as you dey put a hole for ground, you dey dig your trench, excavating. Now then you go surprise say somebody somewhere go come say that one if they like you, this area na government. If they not get time for you, they'll leave you. When government not they ready to use what they get, I know lie you, they can't fly away to this zone and war film. When government don't they ready to use what they get, okay, eh? When government don't they ready to use what they get, they will collect what they get. And if you like, you cry, say, oh, government not say because government now everybody home. Government is continual. Now make they say when the first government come out, another one enter. So what did the first government do? Now continuation. I don't know not the. So when they try use this opportunity, they advise our people. They say wisdom is profitable to direct. Now your own benefit. If you secure your property, you cannot go and raise money. Also, money runs into millions to buy land. Then you call liver, may go like that. Abi you get through for the plot money. Is there a tree where you plant anywhere where you for the plug the money? So if they say secure your property, now your own. Let's take an example. This is my client now. Now because I'm my client, if they take this land, I go pay me. If not my client to go, I will let come, I'll talk my own. I can't die. After all, not there when they work the money. But the best thing is to advise, say, if you get up, when we enter this road, ask my client, I tell my client they listen to me now, but you know, I don't want to show up for video. Now you carry me go the first one. If you just see video, the way you go turn around, you be like say, Nabuko around, enter. So you don't like video. I tell her for road the entire say, as this place open reach, you should say that your land still there so. That was the question I asked. Really somebody encroach, but we feel pull out the person and we'll thank God for that. I will bless the community for that. So right now, we just today this community. You know what make me never mention the name of the community because our life. No. So that means when we want to round up now, we will not mention the name of the community for you. So we advise everyone immediately secure your property for your best interest. Now, if you look when they buy this land, I believe say the trek where the trek can reach this side. We now they say, oh, now this side. But today people they drag them because they BIU. They drag them now. This is the same advice I'm giving to people. You will come over buy land along the road. It is good for economic reason. But for rest, no, and if you want to invest, go to a new developing community. Or go community say where they never even start. Now you go bring. I talk in my last video, live when I did this afternoon. I talk and say, those days nobody know Urokosa. But today they get one of the strongest approval and they are selling land. If somebody tell me say we go Obu, go to sell land, I don't believe. Today go and look at Obu. In fact, development every they come up for Edo now, they encroach it to Edo Central. In terms of land issue. So anywhere you buy land now, not be bush. Anywhere you buy land now, not be bush. I was born and brought up in Guinness. Ibuba Hill. One day my father want to go buy that land. They say, "Aye, it's too far. It's too far." It's too far. But when Guinness enter that area, oh boy, you fear infrastructure. So nobody knows tomorrow. What you not believe say go happen, feel happen. Now what you never see for life, now you say not day. Everything day. But now when you work hard, you go see rich. So it is better for you not go to put eye for say you must get, everybody must not be in the GRE. Like me now, I'm not going to tell you like, well, maybe not because I look her. And maybe not because I look her, maybe the reason like that. If not be special program, I know you carry more to drive, say I want to go stay inside town. No. People, when I do my birthday, say, everybody say, so what do you have? We suppose you stay somewhere like GRA. Somewhere, GRA waiting, where my men, people where they gotta grow for zone, they street up by me, you carry more to go GRA, go sit down. What I want from? I bet more do and local. We not even do invitation. Now he prompt I not do one invitation. In 30 minutes, everywhere yakba, it don't happen, then we continue. So that same area where you look say enough, you should say it go bump. In the next 5 years you go wrong. If you open, I tell you about Iriri.
Block did you?
It's okay. I tell you about Iriri, Arwogba, Obasago. Not before they sell out 200,000. May you carry 3 million go there now whether you see 100 by 100 back. I said 6 years ago, all the Ebo community, all those Arwogba community, they sell land 100 by 100, 200,000. May you carry 3 million go there now whether you see land back. Carry 1.5 million, 2 million go Ulemo. As Ulemo will not get road, whether you see 2 million in a land back. Go over your bar. Ordinarily, me no fee say me want go stay over your bar. But today, if they say come and pay 1.5 million for 100 by 100. You know they call grab your copy now. All those adverts they say, when all those olden days home video, where they hear Ogbakiri, they'll say, Bill, check what is it? Bill, this one, they'll say grab your copy now. That's why I take grabber. But before, when you tell me, I know go. So you when the poor I say, it must be this Amagba. What is Amagba? 8 years ago, if they give you land for Amagba, you know take. But carry 4 million naira go Amagba now. If you see 100 by 100 back, no say when you dig foundation, not people tell you say that you get that land. But people don't buy land for that place 200,000. But because of impatient, me and you no fit wait. We just define no. So don't let anybody deceive you, say you must stay inside town first. No. Place will never develop, now many pass. And they must be developed. I talk about my last video just now. Those days, 10, 15 years ago, now people, papa, elders, and now they build us. Now, children, youth, they build us. Those days, now old man, general old man, we don't get level, now they drive 504. These days, children, now they drive GLK. Go some campuses where you go see car park, where students go park. Lecturer know if he park there. So, this time, the life don't turn into jet age. And the more people they get money, the more they open. Now, because say Nigerian government is a faith government, they are not opening new towns. Ordinarily, all this land over there is supposed to say, before the town open, come and put road, tide, water go follow on, electric pole. If now underground electrification system they want to knock and put, then they'll begin sell the land. There will be proper land administrative system. But this one known as hazard development. Sprawl. What we call urban sprawl professionally. So now the message when I get for us be this. And we are about rounding up. We are live at Uwu community, carrying out a perimeter survey. And the goal is to apply for a statutory right of occupancy. I want to say thank you very much. This is an opportunity for us to send a clear message. Now get your phone again. Now, una friend, I am closing now. Bye for now. Thank you. The community now, what's here? The community now. Onyemidi. Yes, a great good afternoon to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. And remember, humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Usaze-Osakwinokwodim, the coordinator general, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO, Stalosadi Enterprise, in fact, the CEO of Oman Edo State. Yes, I am at Onyemidi community in the Kubaka local government area of Edo State. We are here to carry out a perimeter survey on the land measuring 100 by 200 on behalf of our client who is currently with us. And the goal and objective is to apply for a statutory right of occupancy. You can see that development is already going on this site. But the need to secure the site properly has become so expedient. And that is why we decided to make it a point of duty to pass through appropriate channels in applying for a statutory right of occupancy. What are these channels? It includes but not limited to carrying out a perimeter survey on the land, which will help to identify the coordinates of the property. And by the power of our ubiquitous God Almighty, we've started our work, and we are going to ensure that the survey done here will be synonymous with any other surveys that may be conducted by even a professor in Harvard University. And by the power of God Almighty, at the end of the day, the result has to be efficacious. One of the beautiful part of this activity is that virtually all our survey work, we've never found ourselves in a government land. And where there are situations we find ourselves in a government land, we immediately advise our clients to halt activities to avoid a situation where you spend huge amount of money on to develop a property at the expense of your personal interest. Because government must certainly collect what rightfully belongs to them. So that is why we advise all our sundry. Before you engage yourself into land transaction or land-related activity, there is need for you to consult an expert that can identify what is really obtainable on such land. Because as far as we are concerned, land speculators in the name of CDA, community CDAs, as the case may be, both the Ohens or both the Nogiels or Diawere and all, they are ready to receive money when you are bringing money. They don't care about the land they are selling to you. If you are going to bring money today, no community rejects it. But the question is this land truly as valuable? Is this land within their disposal? Is this land actually their property? These people can summon huge courage to sell lands that belong to government. Whether we like it or not, if you look at a land like this, there is no way government will come and put a sticker to say not buy, now government own. Government will be looking at you. Because of your quest to engage into land activities, you end up finding yourself in a precarious situation that may even be repugnant to you as a person. So the only panacea to avoid such situation is to consult an expert. On our part, we can give you details about a land. We'll tell you this land is a government land. It's just for us to pick a point, get details, then we'll send it to appropriate quota, we'll give you the result. So this is what we do as Stalosadi Enterprise. We're into CFO application, we're into survey, beauty plan design and construction. And at the end of the day, believe you me, the resultant will be efficacious. So we've done what we're supposed to do. And for now, we advise everyone, now get CFO Nigeria. If you like, you build everything from ground, go reach up. Who gets CFO Nigeria? I don't know, no day. There's no ignorance in law. I bought in 2016, this one bought in 2019. Is that the business? The goal and objective is very clear because the both party wanted to buy a land for the purpose of development. Nobody is coming to buy a land because he or she wants to fight. So it is advisable that you do what is right. I remember humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Usaze-Osakwinokwodim. Bye for now.
I beg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.